Ilocos. I'm Arlene Ke and this is my pet, Josh.
Fresh graduate sa kursong Bachelor of Science in Information Technology si Arlene. Siya ay 20 years old at kasalukuyang residente ng Gimod, Bantay, Ilocos Sur. Very jolly at sassy si Arlene kaya naman kasabay nito ay ang pag-aalaga niya sa cute na little buddy niyang si Josh, isang Pomeranian. Ang Pomeranian ay kilala rin sa pangalang Pom. Sila ay classified bilang toy dog dahil sa maliit nitong katawan. Ang mga Pomeranian ay masayahin at maliksing uri ng aso at gustong-gusto nila nasa tabi lang sila ng kanilang amo. Sa katunayan, ang ganitong breed ng aso ay kinikilala bilang royal dogs dahil sa bilang ng mga royal personalities na nagkaroon ng ganitong uri ng breed ng aso. Matalino at madaling matuto ang mga Pom. Alerto din sila at defensive sa kanilang teritoryo. Ikwento mo nga sa amin, Arlene, kung paano ka nagkaroon ng pet?
Nung debut ko, niregalo siya sa akin ng kaibigan ng ate ko and 2 months pa lang siya nun. Maliit pa siya. Nagulat ako kasi hindi ko naman in-expect na dog ang ireregalo sa akin and alam kasi niya na love ko ang dog.
Wow! Surprising naman pala talaga. So, ilang taon na si Josh at ano ang mga distinct characteristics niya na napansin mo habang lumalaki siya?
4 years old na siya ngayon and 2 months pa lang siya nung binigay sa akin. Nung 3 months old pa lang siya, tinuruan ko siya kung paano umihi sa may rug sa harap ng CR namin. And habang lumalaki naman siya, doon na siya umiihit, saka nagpupupo. Tapos madali siyang turuan, mabait, saka friendly. Napansin ko sa kanya, nung 2 months pa lang siya is kulay white ang kanyang balahibo. Habang lumalaki siya, dito sa part na to, nagpapalit ng hairdo. Nagiging brown siya.
Oh, ayan! Trivia sa mga pet lovers out there. Ang mga Poms or Pomeranians ay nagbabago ang kulay ng balahibo habang lumalaki sila at ito ay natural lamang. Ilang beses siyang kumakain at ano naman ang mga pinapakain mo sa kanya?
Sa isang araw, 3 times siyang kumakain. Iba pa pag merienda. Kung minsan dog food, pero kadalasan naman karne ang kinakain kasi mapili siya sa mga pagkain.
Aba, at mapili ka din pala sa pagkain, ha? E paano naman ang grooming niya?
Ang grooming niya is 2 times a week kung maliligo. Pagkatapos maligo is na-blower siya. Then, nagtutoothbrush paggabi. Tapos, hair comb. Tapos, matutulog na siya.
Kaya pala poging-pogi at palaging mabango si Josh, ha? Ano naman ang daily routine niya? At paano kayo nagbo-bonding?
Pagkagising namin sa umaga, pumunta siya sa bed ko. Tapos pag nakahalata niyang natutulog na naman ako, ginigising niya ako, nililik niya tong chest ko. Pag lumalabas ako, pag namamalengke o namamasyal kasama ang mami ko, sinasama namin siya. Saan man kami pumunta. Pag hapon naman, nilalabas namin siya sa bahay, dinodog walk namin siya kasi mainam daw yan sa health ng mga dogs.
Tama yan! At isa na namang tip sa mga pet lovers out there. Mainam ang pag-dog walk sa inyong mga pet dahil ito ang nagsisilbing exercise nila kontra atake sa puso. Anyway, may unforgettable experience daw si Josh habang nasa trip kayo?
Nung 2 months siya, galing siya sa biyahe, napagod siya kaya tumulo yung laway niya. Pina-check up namin siya, napagod pala sa biyahe kaya pinainom siya ng dextrose powder. Tapos, nung mga 1 year old na siya, tumakit yung puwet niya, basta yung pupo niya, may tinanggal si Doc na isang pagtaehad niya para makatae siya ng normal.
Kawawa naman pala talaga si Josh. Thank God at naka-recover na siya. Balita namin sumali na daw si Josh sa isang dog show. Aba, talaga lang Nanalo ba siya? Ikwento mo nga sa amin, Arlene.
Well, nung Vegan Fiesta, nagkaroon ng dog show sa vegan and sinali ko siya. Sa awa ng Diyos na nalo siya ng second place. Second place lang pero okay na yon kasi first time niyang sumali sa contest 4 years na siya pero ngayon lang sumali and nanalo siya.
Congratulations! Hindi na masama ang second place ha, lalo na't first time pala ni Josh ang sumali sa mga ganitong contest. Clap for that! Anyway, totoo bang nasagap naming chismis na si Josh daw ay may mga naging girlfriends na at ngayon nagkakalat na ng lahi? Is that true, Arlene?
Nagkaanak na yung asawa niya. First na asawa niya is 3 yung anak, puro babae. Then yung second na anak, yung anak niya, bale, yun na naman yung inasawa niya. Kaya, apat ulit yung naging anak nila. Isang babae, 3 lalaki.
Ano naman ang message mo sa mga aspiring petsters out there?
Sa mga dog owners dyan, alagaan nyo yung pets nyo. Ituring nyo sila na parang isa sa kapamilya ninyo. Kasi may mga damdamin din sila, nasasaktan sila pag napapalo. Alagaan at saka everyday na papacheck up sa doktor pag may sakit. Huwag pababayaan.
Alright, and that was Arlene Bantay with her Pomeranian dog na si Josh na napaka-cute na aso talaga. Super cute.
Oh, yeah. At ang trivia about naman kay Pomeranian dogs, yes, is a German total breed of very small, compact, long-haired dogs of the Spitz type as they were at home in the Arctic region.
At syempre, famous celebrities din ang nagmamay-ari ng ganitong klase.
Ang mga
aso.
tropa ko.
Mga tropa natin.
Tropa natin na si Paris.
Oh, ini-include ang sarili talaga. Sino pa? Si Bill Cosby, Keanu Reeves, of course.
Hilary Duff.
And si
Del
Sharon
Marianes.
Osbourne. Roxy,
Roxy,
diba? Siyempre, Cedric Ragocos.
Cedric Ragocos.
Oo nga talaga. Alright. So now, let's move on to our Make Me Over segment kung saan tuturuan tayo ng ating beauty guru, diba? Beauty expert na nag-iisang, siyempre, napakaganda si Miss Jana. Kung paano natin ma-achieve ang isang Barbie look.
Cute, girly, sweet. Diba? Ano pa? Lovable. Lalo na sa mga mahilig sa mga cutesy. Mga pa-cute kay. This is good for you. This is the best Make Me Over segment for you. It's Barbie Look. So let's all watch this.
Hello everybody! You guys might be wondering what look I'm trying to bring you today. Well, this fun tutorial I'm gonna show you is inspired by a California Girl or Katy Perry or the 1960s Barbie. This is not really advisable to be worn daily, but I just want to show you how it's done in case you might need to dress up like Barbie or attend a costume party. Now let's get started. Start off with a clean face and prepare for foundation application. You will be needing a liquid foundation that's a bit lighter than your regular skin tone. Here, I customized the shade of my foundation, mixed the light and darker and blended them together. Through this, you will be able to achieve the look of a perfect plastic doll. Using a stippling brush, press the liquid foundation onto your face and then blend evenly. Through this, you will be able to achieve the complexion of a perfect plastic doll. It's very seamless and flawless looking. Now moving on to concealer. Apply it on the areas where needed. It's important to conceal the dark circles under the eyes to conceal the imperfections. Also, conceal the corners of the nose and mouth for an even tone. Using a loose powder or cake foundation, gently pat the sponge all over the face to set the perfect base you've already created. This will also eliminate the shine for an even and mattified look. Fill in the brows with an eyebrow pencil using short feathery strokes so you would easily get the desired arch you wanted.
In every way.
Apply primer to the eyes. This would really help the eyeshadow last and make the colors come out more vibrant. This primer also helps the eyeshadow from creasing. Apply a blue shade of eyeshadow on the lids using a finger. Then apply an even lighter shade of blue in the crease.
Change today to forever. This life keeps moving.
Fill the lids with this brilliant shade of blue. Try looking at Barbie dolls and you will also find this shade in her. Notice how my mirror in front looks like this shade I'm applying right now?
We need to let go.
Using a brush, apply white eyeshadow on the inner corners of the eyes. This would make it look brighter. Apply the white shadow on the brow bone too. Using a fine brush, line the crease using a fuchsia pink eyeshadow. Follow the concave shape or a half moon. This would require a little patience and effort since it's very hard to line the crease using a harsh line like this. But keep trying. You can always erase it if you made a mistake.
Change today. This life
Now line the crease with a dark blue shade. I mixed some of the different shades of blue here to come up with this Barbie blue color. Line it just below the pink line.
change today to forever. This life keeps moving.
Using the same mixed blue color, line the lower lash line. Avoid using black because it's gonna make it look drag instead of doll-like. Then apply on the upper lash line as well.
You should believe in me.
Brighten up the eyes by using a white pencil to line the waterline. It's gonna make it look more doll-like.
Always come back to you.
Contour the nose by choosing a warm shade of brown that's not too dark. This will create a tiny nose. Blend using a brush or your fingers.
Life is a mystery.
It's fall tease time. Your look would not be complete without using a really thick and fluttery lash. Apply glue on the lashes and then wait for it to be tacky. Then apply it on the lash line and make it really close to the lashes.
Never wait to let go. People rise.
When applying blush, smile so that the apples of your cheeks will show. Use a rosy color for the cheeks.
To forever. This life keeps moving.
Now apply lip color. Choose a fuchsia pink lipstick to complete the doll look.
When they believe in tomorrow.
To make your lips look more doll-like, apply a concealer around the mouth because this will serve as a highlight around the lips. See the difference it makes? Set the concealer with powder.
We have everything we need.
Then apply lip gloss on the lips for high-definition shine.
Feel it's destiny.
And that's the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed this fun tutorial for an all dolled up look. This reminds me so much of my childhood days where I used to play with my Barbie dolls. So if you want this look to come alive, you can follow the simple and easy tutorial I've shown you. Have a fun, fresh, and fierce day, everyone. Special thanks to Jean-Claude Ben for the Barbie hairstyle.
Change today.